In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload HTML website in GoDaddy cPanel account in 2023. First, head over to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Once you're in, click your profile icon and open My Products. This takes you to a dashboard that lists everything tied to your account. Under Domains, click Manage All so you can see the domain you're going to use for your site. Select DNS for that domain to view its settings. You don't need to change anything right now. This is simply where the domain's records live, and it's helpful to confirm you're looking at the right domain before uploading your files. Next, find the web hosting section on the same products page, locate your hosting plan and click Manage. From there, open cPanel by selecting cPanel Admin. That will launch your hosting control panel in a new tab. Inside cPanel, open File Manager. If it doesn't open automatically, you can find it under the Files section. In File Manager, look for the public/HTML directory and open it. This folder is the web root for your primary domain, which means anything you put here is what visitors will see when they go to your site. Before uploading, make sure your website files are ready on your computer: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, and any supporting folders. Your main page should be named index.html, so it becomes the default page that loads at your domain. Click the Upload button in the top menu. You can drag and drop your files into the window or click Select File to pick them from your computer. Wait for the progress indicators to reach 100% before navigating away. If you prefer, you can upload a single zip archive of your entire site instead of multiple individual files. If you uploaded a zip, return to public HTML, right-click the zip file and choose Extract. Confirm the extraction path is public HTML so everything unpacks into the correct folder. After extraction, your site's files and folders should appear there. Double check that index.html is directly inside public HTML and not tucked away inside another subfolder. If it's named something else, rename it to index.html so your homepage loads correctly. Now it's time to verify. Open a new browser tab, type your domain, and press enter. You should see your website live. If you don't, try a hard refresh or clear your browser cache and confirm your files are in public HTML. If you recently changed DNS settings, it may take a little time to update. That's it. Your HTML site is uploaded and live on GoDaddy using cPanel.